Fitt's law asserts that the time it takes for a human to move a pointer to a target area is a function of the target's distance divided by its size. As a result, the longer it takes, the greater the distance and the smaller the target. In user experience and user interface design, Fitt's law is commonly used. This law, for example, impacted the practice of making interactive buttons big, because smaller buttons are more difficult to click. In the same way, the space between a user's task or attention area and the task-related button needs to be maintained to a minimum. Fitt's law is a human movement model developed by Paul Fitt in 1954 that can properly forecast the time it takes to travel to and pick a goal. Fitt's law is commonly applied to movement via the graphical user interface using a cursor or other sort of pointer in human-computer interaction, although it was initially designed for movement in the physical world. Fitt's law has been mathematically defined in a variety of ways, but its predictions are constant throughout the many mathematical representations. Fitt's law argues, at its most basic level, that the larger and closer an item is to us, the simpler it will be for us to reach it. Isn't it very self-evident? The implementation of Fitt's law, however, is critical. According to recent research, placing the Add Cart button to the left-hand menu of a website can enhance sales conversions. This resulted in a 34% boost in sales. The goal of user interface design should be to shorten the space between points and make the target object big enough to allow for quick detection and selection of interactive components without losing precision.